Happy Monday, South Florida. Back to work and back to school for some of us, but for most of you lucky folks, still have the day off. Gorgeous day to head out on the water. Just keep in mind we have a high risk of rip currents with these onshore breezes. Temperatures right now into the lower 80s in Miami, 82 degrees, but that easterly wind is very strong at 16 miles per hour. So that's roughing up the surf and causing high rip current risks as we head into this afternoon. But perfect temperatures to head out to the beach to enjoy the sunshine on the sand. Into the lower 80s across most of Miami-Dade and Broward County. Upper 70s from Homestead down to the lower Keys. Now the lower Keys are seeing a few dotted showers. Miami-Dade and Broward County, you are looking good. So if you are heading out to the beach, you definitely don't have any rainfall to hinder those plans. But for the Keys, we do have a few showers moving along that strong easterly breeze. Very light and fast in nature, so it's definitely not going to be a big impact on your forecast. Just a few dotted showers as we head into the next couple hours, but for the most part of the afternoon, you will stay nice and dry. But we need to talk about this front because this is actually our next best chance to get some cooler weather. Right now it's bringing snow into the Dakotas, Minnesota, off into Canada, with rains extending from the Great Lakes down to Dallas, Texas. Now this is actually pretty strong. Look at the temperatures behind the front. Single digits, teens and 20s into the Rockies and 30s right now over Kansas City. But take a look just to the southeast, 70 degrees in Memphis. So that stark temperature contrast is really what's driving that front to move south. So we could see some cooler temperatures as we start the new year. But for today, the story are those winds that are coming off the ocean. Going to be very breezy at times, so we can't rule out the possibility of a shower along that breeze. And that's going to continue as we head into Tuesday, and it will be very warm. So I know a lot of you want to head out to the beach today. You definitely can, but just do what these folks are doing and stay on the sand because we do have a high rip current risk with those onshore winds. And you might want to bring that sunblock with you. That UV index is still moderate, even though it is December. And those winds are also roughing up the surf, choppy along the bays with a small craft advisory. We got highs today getting to the mid 80s, and that's pretty much going to be the story as we head into Thursday. Here comes that front on Friday, cooling us down back to average 77 degrees for Friday and mid 70s to start off the first weekend of the new year.